Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. You find yourself on a cloudy day at the beach. The wind is wild and is blowing your hair all about. The seagulls above are jostled to and fro by the playful wind. The wind is a little chilly today. Try to imagine what this kind of wind would feel like on your skin. The dark clouds and gusts of wind have made the water rough. There are big waves rolling loudly onto the beach in front of you. Can you hear them? It's going to be your job to still the waves and clear the sky. Imagine yourself walking toward the water, just close enough that even the biggest waves would barely touch your toes. The more calm you become, the more the stormy weather will clear. Imagine holding your arms out toward the waves, palms facing the water. Imagine having the power to slowly calm the waves with your breath. Take some deep breaths to calm yourself. And imagine now that the waves and wind respond by becoming calmer as well. Breathe in and calm the wind. Breathe out and settle the waves. Breathe deeply and listen to how the waves and air begin to calm. Listen closely. Can you hear the difference in the waves? Try to calm the entire ocean. Calm your body, calm the air, calm the ocean. Imagine now how still the water has become and how clear and blue the sky is now. It has turned into the perfect day to be at the beach. Now that both you and the weather are calm, take a moment now to imagine your ideal day at the beach. Imagine who you would be with, what you would be doing, and the things you would see. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that is good in your day.